Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to open a Deliveroo rider account in the UK step by step in 2025. Step 1. Go to rider.deliveroo.co.uk and click on apply now. Step 2. Select your city or area or the reason that you'd like to ride for Deliveroo. Deliveroo operates in most UK cities but availability depends on demand. Step 3. Fill in your personal details including your full name, email address, and phone number. And also, you can create a password to set up your rider profile. Step 4. Choose your vehicle type like bike, scooter, or car. Make sure that you meet the vehicle requirements. If you are using a motor vehicle, you will need a valid driving license and insurance. Step 5. Upload the required documents like proof of ID, proof of right to work in the UK, such as a passport or share code, and a clear profile photo. Step 6. Complete a short online training. This covers health and safety, order handling, and app usage. Step 7. Download the Deliveroo Rider app and log in once your application is approved. And now, you're ready to start delivering and earning with Deliveroo in the UK. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.